Hi students, we are doing electrostatic. We have completed up to Coulomb's law. Let us start next topic, unit of absolute permittivity. Epsilon naught. We know that the electrostatic force between two charges Q1, Q2 separated by a distance r in vacuum is given by F vacuum equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square, implies epsilon naught equal to 1 upon 4 pi f vacuum q1 q2 upon r square. Therefore SI unit of epsilon naught is SI unit of charge coulomb. SI unit of charge coulomb. 4 pi is a numerical value, therefore it has no unit. F vacuum, the unit of F vacuum, F is force, Newton. The unit of R is meter, here R square, therefore here meter square. Therefore SI unit of epsilon naught is coulomb square, Newton inverse, meter inverse 2. So this is the unit of epsilon naught. Now dimensional formula of epsilon naught. Dimensional formula of epsilon naught. We know that epsilon naught is equal to 1 upon 4 pi f vacuum q1 q2 upon r square. So therefore dimensional formula of epsilon naught is equal to dimensional formula of charge TA upon, there is no dimensional formula of 4 pi, it is dimensionless quantity. Dimensional formula of force ML T minus 2. Dimensional formula of R L square. Here square, therefore here L square, and which is equal to M raised to power minus 1. Here L square, it becomes L cube, and then L minus 3. Here T minus 2, T, and this becomes T raised to power 4, A square. So thus this is dimensional formula of epsilon naught is M raised to power minus 1, L minus 3, T raised to power 4, A square. The next topic is relative permittivity. Or dielectric. Relative permittivity is denoted by epsilon r, or dielectric constant. Okay. It is the ratio of electrostatic force between two charges separated by a certain distance in vacuum to the force between same two charges separated by same distance in a medium. So therefore epsilon r equal to force ratio of force between two charges separated by a distance in vacuum F vacuum upon force between same two charges separated by same distance in a medium. So therefore K equal to F vacuum upon F medium. Since F vacuum equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. F medium equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R square, where epsilon is the permittivity of the medium and epsilon naught is the absolute permittivity of free space. Therefore epsilon R or K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Here epsilon, not epsilon naught. Q1 Q2 upon R square cut up with Q1 Q2 upon R square. 1 upon 4 pi with 1 upon 4 pi cancel, implies epsilon R or K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. From here there is another definition of relative permittivity, that is, it is the ratio of permittivity of the medium to absolute permittivity of free space. So this is the also epsilon R or K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught in terms of permittivity, and in terms of force K equal to F vacuum upon F medium. Now F medium is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R square. So this can also be written as F medium equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon is epsilon naught epsilon R or epsilon naught K. So here epsilon, here we can write it as epsilon naught epsilon R Q1 Q2 upon R square, because epsilon is equal to epsilon naught epsilon R. Also F medium equal to F vacuum upon epsilon R or F vacuum upon K.